everyone, welcome back to the channel. Everybody, if you're new, if you've been here before, thank you so much for watching. Today I've got another project from the little small car lot that brings me work all the time. It's a little 2008 Scion XB. As you can see, a lot of rock chips into here, and someone sprayed some primer on it, maybe fixed an area here. It looks like it's had some work right there. We've got the fender prime, both the front fenders primed. We gotta wash them, scuff them up. Then we're gonna have to bring it back here. This is an odd, it's called teal green color on this Scion. And what we're gonna have to do is, you know, anytime you have old paint and you're putting new paint on, it's never going to match. So you have to blend the doors. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to blend the doors, the front bumper. I've got to paint the hood anyway, so we can get this whole front end matched. Okay guys, we're going to get started sanding on this. I've already taped off the headlights, the top of the headlights. And I'm going to use my DA 180 and just knock it down a little bit, feather those out. So let's get started. Okay guys, now that I've got everything sanded, or got the front of the car sanded here, I'm gonna go ahead and tape off everything, get some plastic up over it, and then we can get on with priming and getting it ready. So let me get this thing taped off, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, I decided to go ahead and blend the door, just make it look better. Anytime you're doing old paint, new paint, a lot of times it's not going to match. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this door. What we got to do here and here is just take a red Scotch-Brite, scuff it up, bring it on back. So I'm gonna take care of that. Just take the Scotch-Brite pad and just key in the surface, guys. Just so the new paint or new clear, because we're not going to bring paint all the way back here, but we are going to have to bring clear coat all the way back here. So we're going to go ahead and make sure we get the entire surface keyed so it gives the paint something to stick to. And then on this primered fender, same thing. Just go ahead and key the surface, just like that. I've already shot primer on this here. It's drying right now. I've already keyed this door and fender on this side. Once my primer dries, then I'll blow everything off. We're gonna have to rescuff this. I shot this right here. When I'm doing just like spot painting here, a lot of times that's what I'm doing anyway, just fixing one little spot in an area and then having to blend the rest. I just use this stuff here, Duplicolor primer filler to fill in my scratches. Then I'll go back over it with a Scotch-Brite, and then I have primer sealer. I'll shoot the primer sealer on there before I paint it. That helps the paint, it seals the primer underneath, and helps the paint stick. I've been using this stuff for many years. It works great. I've never had problems with it. I'll get this wiped down, cleaned up, scuffed, and get some primer sealer shot on this front and on these fenders. And then when I'm getting ready to shoot the paint on the area, on the vehicle, I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, I've got everything keyed, wiped down, primed, wiped everything off, and then I've used the wax and grease remover and wiped everything down real good. Now we're getting ready to mix the paint. I just picked this up this morning. I like to shake it up. Real good. I get this at O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's Nason brand. It's the cheap brand. When I'm doing these cars for this small car lot, everything has to be cheap, you know. I use PPG clear coat, but I just buy the cheap paint. Okay guys, we're looking at the Scion I painted. You see right here, there's the door, the fender, the hood. Everything's looking good. We're all looking good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please comment, good or bad. I'm up for any comments. Again, thank you very much. I'll see you next time.